YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what is up? Happy Sunday, guys. Oh my goodness, it has been a crazy weekend. It's time to get back to work. I have to be at work in a little bit, so I wanted to do a quick filming for you guys real quick, but I have actually posted this eye look already on my YouTube stories on my community post, and I said if you guys are interested in seeing what it looks like and how I did it, please comment down below and I will do this look for you guys. But it was very simple, guys, and I think it came out beautiful. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So right now I have for you guys the Target Beauty Box. It is a monthly subscription box, but it's not something that you have to sign up for, which is something I absolutely love. You get to see what's in the box. You get to see what's, it's of course, it's every month. It's $7, and then you also have like 95 cents in shipping or $1 in shipping, and then you get to choose. If you want it, you buy it. If not, leave it alone. So I absolutely love this box. I don't see a lot of YouTubers actually doing this box, so hey, if I'm the rare one, watch me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button, give it a click right here, bring a ding that bell, turn your post notifications on, and if you like me, let me give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now where 3 lucky winners are going to get to win, so definitely check that out. I will try to leave that link in the description box below to that video. Otherwise, it's just called free makeup giveaway. You'll see it on my channel, but definitely subscribe and share that video with a friend. Also comment down below of that video what your favorite movie is. Now without further ado, let's get into some Target unboxing, and I'm shaking the camera. Okay, so sometimes it comes in a separate box, sometimes it comes in a white box, but this is a box inside of a box. So I don't remember what's in this Target box. Like I said, you can see if you want to get it or if you don't want to get it, and I'm not trying to break my nails. Ooh, I love these. They were actually longer. They're the Kiss nails from Walmart, and they were like $7 or something. Way cheaper than going to the nail salon, right? And they're so cutie, but I'm like, oh, trying to put my nail in to open this box, but I literally, bestie, just put them on. So if these break, I will cry. And I'm sorry that the camera keeps shaking, but that's because I'm trying to open this box without breaking my nail. So y'all shake, rattle, and roll while I open this box for y'all. Oh, this is not good. We're having technical difficulties here. Normally I have the box already open for you guys, but this was like a last minute video, so I was like, okay. Alright. Oh, so, is that anything? Probably not. Here's the box right here. It looks like, is that upside down? It looks like this, and oh, this is cute. It's perfect for the fall. So I wonder if this is going to be like fall makeup. This normally consists of like hair care, skin care. You get like lotions, and sometimes you get makeup. Very rare. I don't mind that though, because this is not really a makeup box. This is a beauty box. So this is, you know, you never know. You know, Ipsy's makeup, Birchbox makeup, Allura's makeup. I want makeup. Okay. So, also, if you want to sign up for the Target Beauty Box, I will leave the link in the description box below. Ooh. Definitely sealed. Safety plastic sealed. Alright. It's a lot of stuff on my vlogging station. Alright. Here's a card of everything that we're going to get inside the box. I truly do not remember what was in this box. I ordered it like 3 weeks ago. And, it's kind of been sitting there. I know, shame on me, Samantha. Okay, I'm going to put this hair back here because it's getting on my nerves. Alright. Ooh, something that I needed. So the first box that I'm pulling out is the nail filers by the brand Trim. And these are actually really good. I really like their tweezers. And you get 2 boards, blend and smooth, natural, artificial nail edges and surfaces. And yeah, I definitely could use these. So that's awesome. I've never received nail files in any subscription box before. And it doesn't say like how much it is or whatever. So whatever. But that's 1. 2 is, oh, I love getting me some face masks. So this is by the Miss spa brand. I've never heard of this. And it's the Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. Natural aloe restores, replenishes in even the driest skin. Dermatologist tested and results in 20 minutes. So yes, please. And this looks promising. Oh, free from fragrance, parabens, and sulfates. Not tested on animals, so cruelty free. Next little goodie. I hate getting these. And oh my god, is that it? Oh my god, this box is shitty this month. Oh my god, the last product that I'm going to pull out, I knew I was getting, but that's like the only thing they gave me. So this is foil packets. I hate foil packets. This is the new Tresemme Vibrant Color up to 8 weeks. Botanic Color Vibrance and Shine. So I guess, and this is the shampoo and conditioner. This is for color treated hair, which I will be getting my hair colored tomorrow. But the thing is, it's like, give me a bottle. Because these are pain in my ass just trying to open these in the shower. So I'm not happy with this box. I'll tell you this right now. And then they gave me this teeny tiny Dove. What the hell is this? The #1 dry serum antiperspirant. So this is a sample. Oh my god, I'm writing a letter. I'm emailing the Target right away. Like, wow. We always get 5 to 6 samples. And I guess because they gave me this humongous razor, I'm not exactly sure what this values, what this retails, but I definitely will be looking it up. This is the Chic Intuition Trial Pack, and it comes, it says it's a sample, not for resale. It's an aloe and E, no need for shave gel travel. Oh, this is the razor that, okay, attach cartridge, add water, and shave. Okay, this is the one that the girl from the LeBryant family, she's being sponsored by them. And I did want to try this, but are you kidding me? $7 for one, the razor, and I don't know how much this retails for. 2, this, I don't even know what this is. Uplifting scent. It's, what is this? A real treat for your underarms. I mean, dry serum, rose silk. You could have given me a little mini deodorant, don't you think? So I can't even count this. I don't count these as products because I literally got 3 products in my box. I'm pissed. I'm definitely emailing. Wow. I rave about Target box. Like, check out my other videos. I rave about this. And I am very disappointed. Woo! Okay. So if I was going to be late to work, I definitely wouldn't want it to be making this video. I mean, for y'all, yes, but this is garbage, people. Oh my goodness, I am appalled. I have no words right now. Comment down below if you think I got screwed. And give me a thumbs up because you feel bad for me. Like, oh my god. I am shocked. That's all I got. And this says right here, it says, yeah, it says you get the razor, the sheet mask, the dry serum, I mean, I don't even use the powder touch deodorant. It's a little tiny circle. Like, I put my finger in it and that's it. The dollar store freaking nail files. And the shampoo and conditioner, they counted it as separate. And yeah, it was attached together. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples. They tried. You really tried. But really, you gave me 3. Okay. Don't know if I'll be getting October's Target box. I'll tell you that now. So, I gotta do some research and I gotta send an angry email. I'm really shocked right now. Well, guys, that is my Target beauty box. I do not, you know, I don't sugarcoat shit on this channel. I tell you how it is raw. I don't care if I'm being sponsored. If it's garbage, I'm going to let my viewers know. I'm not going to lie to my subscribers. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Why? Why would I lie? Who wants a liar? So, this box was garbage this month. I'm just going to say that now. But, I'm going to go. I got an email to write. Guys, please make sure that you check out that giveaway because I won't screw you. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.